Imagine a world where extreme weather events become the norm, where polar ice caps melt and sea levels rise. This is no dystopian fantasy but the reality of climate change. As we navigate this global concern, we'll explore the science that unravels its complexity. A topic of this magnitude requires our attention and understanding, so let's dive into the science behind climate change. To understand climate change, we need to first understand a natural process called the greenhouse effect. Picture the Earth's atmosphere as a giant greenhouse. Certain gases like carbon dioxide and methane act like the glass walls of this greenhouse, trapping heat and keeping the Earth warm enough to sustain life. But here's where things get complicated. When we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, we release more of these heat-trapping gases into the atmosphere. However, human activities have supercharged this natural process, leading to what we know as the enhanced greenhouse effect. The enhanced greenhouse effect is largely driven by one key factor: carbon dioxide emissions. These emissions primarily originate from human activities, like burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas. Over the years, a significant increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels has been observed. These elevated levels of CO2 are pushing our planet's thermostat up. This increased warming, known as global warming, is causing a cascade of changes globally. The heat is altering weather patterns, leading to more frequent and severe storms, droughts, and heat waves. We're seeing the sea levels rise as polar ice caps melt, threatening coastal cities and low-lying countries. Our ecosystems are shifting as well, with some species migrating to cooler areas, while others face the risk of extinction. This biodiversity loss is a ticking time bomb, threatening to disrupt the delicate balance of our ecosystems. But the effects of climate change go beyond just our natural world. Our agriculture is at stake as well, with crop yields fluctuating due to unpredictable weather. Human health is under threat too, with increased heat-related illnesses and vector-borne diseases. And let's not forget about social impacts like climate-induced migration and conflicts over dwindling resources. These changes are not just environmental, they're affecting our daily lives and our future. While these changes are daunting, scientists are using climate models to predict future scenarios and help us prepare. These models, complex computer simulations based on historical data, allow us to understand and anticipate the shifts in our climate. But understanding is just the first step. We need to mitigate, to reduce our emissions and transition to renewable energy sources. Simultaneously, we need to adapt, to develop strategies that help us cope with the changes already upon us and those yet to come. It's a dual approach, a dance between prevention and preparedness. While the challenge is significant, so too are the opportunities for change. Climate change is a complex issue, but understanding its science is the first step towards making a difference. From the greenhouse effect to CO2 emissions and their impacts, we've unpacked the essentials. Now, it's your turn. Reduce your carbon footprint, support clean energy, advocate for climate policies. The power to shape our future is in our hands. Together, we can make a difference. For those wanting to delve deeper into the topic, we recommend researching reputable climate science websites and reading related scientific literature. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more educational content on important topics like this.